You go first. Wait, we gotta move it around. So I'm gonna move it around blindly. I don't even know where anything is going. Okay, choose one. Show the camera what you chose. So once you put your hand on something, you can't take it back.
Okay.
Because you can feel what it feels like.
I
Okay.
have it.
Okay, I'm gonna choose something. I got that. Okay. Next round. Take off blindfolds. Oh, you got that? I got fishbowl beads. I want one of these! Oh, dang it. Or clay or something. Okay. We can do this in a double round or something for like atoms or something if you want.
Yeah.
Move these away. Okay. Next round is glue. So we're going to put the glue out. I'm going to add the lotion and the clay. So we can do another round. And then put your blindfolds on.
I go first?
Yeah, but I'm going to move it around first.
Okay.
It's all going to be like in a pile, so choose something. Okay. Are you done? So this is the glue round. So if you don't, you need to choose one of the big containers first and then choose something else.
I want this one.
Okay, I'm going to choose the... Did you choose a big container?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, let's see what I got. Yes, I got clear glue. And
I got white glue.
And I got the clay. Did you choose one of these? Well, you didn't really have to. Okay.
You got clay, so that means I have to get this or something?
If you want, yeah, you can do that. Or... Okay. Next round is glitter round. This is my favorite. So this is components for the glitter round. We got my 6-pack of glitter.
Okay.
And then we got the flaky glitters. Woo! We got blue, red, and black.
Let's just put them down.
And we've got these guys.
Yeah, these.
Yeah, we can add those too. Okay. I think I should take these out. Maybe. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my blindfold
Put them on?
Yeah, put them on. Let's move them around. Here, you move them around too.
Okay,
Okay,
start.
yeah, you choose one.
I feel like I want this one.
Okay. I got this one. Okay. Open your eyeballs.
Oh.
Ooh, got gold. Got blue.
Okay.
Okay, let's put these away. These guys are really pretty though. This one's my favorite because it's rose gold. I can always speed this part. Oh wait, you're using that. I can always speed this part up whenever these guys away. If you got one of these options, then it would be like a little bit. No, the last round is the extra help or downfall round. So we got magical liquid. This could be your extra help or downfall. It could be extra help for me if I find it because I could still have a clear slime. But it would be a downfall for a white glue because it would be kind of rubbery. And then the downfall, and then this could be helpful or a downfall for clear slime. And then water. This is magical liquid, and then we could do water for a downfall. Yeah, I need to go get water. I'm gonna put. Can I use this container?
Yes.
Okay, I'll just speed to wet. Okay, so for this one, that one's gonna be a little bit confusing when you choose it. Okay, ready?
So, my turn?
Yes. Wait, I'm gonna move them around.
You can't. You have to be cautious about the water.
Yeah, I'm gonna move it. Okay, you choose.
Okay.
What'd you get? What do you think you got?
This thing.
Okay, I'm gonna choose. I got this. Okay, open your eyes. Oh my god, magical liquid. I mean, that might not be bad, but you got the lotion? That's good. Okay. Is the one that you need to shake up the paints. So you don't want any oil things coloring.
I'll take these out. There's no red, so.
Yeah, that's why I got the red. Okay, so do you have your blindfold on? Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna move them. Move them around. I don't even know what colors these are, so it's fine.
Yeah, so.
Okay, choose the color.
I choose this one.
Okay, I'm gonna choose. I got this one. Okay. Oh, I got yellow.
I got green.
Okay, okay. So now we gotta make the slime, so we're gonna have to like scooch a little bit closer. Okay, so let's show everyone everything that we got. We need to put everything away.
This is what I got. And this is what she got.
And if we ever need more activator, I got my Stavlo. It's in this container that you guys saw in my last video. Okay. So let's make the slime. Oh, this is actually making me sweat.